How I switched from using Figma to Axure, a UX designer's journey. As a UX designer, I have always been on the lookout for the best tools to enhance my design process and deliver exceptional user experiences. For a long time, Figma was my go-to tool for its collaborative features and ease of use. However, as my design needs evolved, I found myself seeking a more robust prototyping tool. This led me to explore Axure, and I was pleasantly surprised by its capabilities. I will share my experience of switching from Figma to Axure and the benefits it brought to my design workflow. Understanding the need for a more powerful prototyping tool. While Figma excels in collaborative design and rapid iteration, I realized that I needed a tool that could handle more complex interactions and dynamic prototypes. Axure's reputation as a powerful prototyping tool intrigued me, and I decided to give it a try. Embracing the learning curve. Switching from one design tool to another can be daunting, especially when it involves learning new features and workflows. However, I approached the transition with an open mind and a willingness to invest time in learning Axure. I took advantage of Axure's extensive documentation, online tutorials, and community forums to quickly get up to speed. Harnessing the power of interactive prototyping. One of the standout features of Axure is its ability to create highly interactive prototypes. With Axure, I was able to bring my designs to life by adding complex interactions, animations, and dynamic content. This allowed me to test and validate my design concepts more effectively, leading to better user experiences. Leveraging Axure's advanced widget libraries. Axure's extensive widget libraries provided me with a wide range of pre-built components and interactions. This saved me valuable time in the design process, allowing me to focus more on the overall user experience rather than recreating basic elements from scratch. Additionally, Axure's widget libraries are highly customizable, giving me the flexibility to tailor them to my specific design needs. Streamlining collaboration with developers. Axure's ability to generate HTML prototypes made collaboration with developers seamless. I could easily share interactive prototypes with my development team, allowing them to understand the intended user interactions and behaviors. This streamlined the handoff process and minimized any miscommunication between design and development. Integrating Axure into my design workflow. Integrating Axure into my existing design workflow was a smooth process. I found that Axure's integration with other design tools, such as Sketch and Figma, allowed me to leverage the strengths of each tool. I could continue using Sketch or Figma for visual design and then import my designs into Axure for prototyping and interaction design. Switching from Figma to Axure has been a transformative experience for my design process. Axure's powerful prototyping capabilities, advanced widget libraries, and seamless collaboration with developers have elevated the quality of my designs and improved the overall user experience. While Figma remains an excellent tool for collaborative design, Axure has become my tool of choice for creating interactive and dynamic prototypes. As a UX professional, it's critical to continually explore and adapt to new tools that meet user needs and business goals, and Axure has become an integral part of my UX design toolkit.